This is Pioneer's MVH-S312BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-S312BT is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. The MVH-S312BT is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify, operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from USB. The MVH-S312BT is a digital media receiver that does not play CDs. As you can see, this model is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash receiver that has a built-in CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's see. First thing we have here is the wire harness. Now we use the wire harness here to connect power and ground and speakers and all of the electrical connections from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next up we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some installation hardware. Then we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Let's open the flap, and we have, here is the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right onto your cell phone at pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, let's get the warranty card. Okay, there's the warranty card in the box, and we'll pull the in-dash receiver up out of here. The front panel of the MVH-S312BT has a large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom here. And here is the auxiliary port. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And of course, detachable face security. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the MVH-S312BT features a 31-band EQ. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. On the back panel of the MVH-S312BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are two sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs or front and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S312BT Smart Sync compatible in-dash receiver and what's in the box.